Is your TikTok
Now, Miss, shut up.
stuck under review for more than a day? Here's how to fix it. Fast. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've uploaded a video on TikTok and it's been stuck on under review for what feels like forever, don't worry, I've got a quick and effective solution to get it sorted. Before we jump in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy TikTok fixes and helpful tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. Open TikTok and head to your profile. Make sure you're logged in. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Step 2. Access the settings. Tap the 3-line menu at the top right corner of your profile. Then select Settings and Privacy. Step 3. Report the issue to TikTok. Scroll down until you see Report a Problem and tap on it. From here, you'll see various categories, but if you don't find an option related to videos under review, don't worry. Step 4. Use the chat support. Tap Chat with Us to open direct support. Here you can explain the situation. You can write something like, "Hi, my video has been under review for more than 24 hours. I'd like to request a manual review or repost. Please let me know if there's an issue with the content." Make sure to include all relevant details, like the video title, the date you uploaded it, and any supporting screenshots or screen recordings. The more info you provide, the faster they can help. Once submitted, TikTok typically responds within 24 to 48 hours. After reviewing your request, they'll either approve the video or inform you if any changes are needed. And that's it. You now know how to handle videos stuck under review like a pro. If this helped you out, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more TikTok tips, tricks, and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll